Hi guys, welcome to BestSub TV. I'm Alex. Today I've got another new machine to show you guys. Meet our new Craft Express mini heat press. It's very small and very compact, and also very cute in this baby blue color. And it's our smallest heat press ever. And the heat platen only measures 2 by 3 inches. And it comes in this special shape with a sharp tip. Looks pretty much like a water drop. And this is specially designed for those small items such as some necklaces, some keychains, some earrings, and some hats, shoes, and little pouches. And also it gives a more flexible approach to those hard to reach and unflat areas. For example, transferring vinyls onto the collar of a t-shirt, between buttons, between seams, on a stuffed toy, or on the hood and the pockets of a sweatshirt. With our mini heat press, you will get more accurate print and have more control over your project, and also create more success. Our Craft Express mini heat press can be applied on transferred vinyls and stickers, and also sublimation printing, which makes it a better choice for you because other mini heat presses on the market are pretty much only for vinyl transfer and not suitable for sublimation printing. And when transferring your vinyl and sticker designs, our mini press is unlike those bigger heat presses. Those bigger machines need to be pressed down and don't allow moving around, while our mini press is designed to move side to side to distribute heat and pressure evenly and to get your designs transferred. And when doing sublimation printing, our mini press can vibrate to give some pressure on the image and the item. And we recommend you choose the images smaller than the heat platen and turn on the vibration and press down the machine with one hand without moving around. This is for adding more pressure on the image and the item. And the mini press will bring you amazing printout results. And now you know everything basic about our mini press. Let's move on to see how to use it. On this mini heat press, you can see one little display screen and 3 buttons: a switch button, a time button, and a temperature button. And it has 2 setting modes: simple and advanced mode for setting time and the temperature. In simple time setting mode, the time range is 10 to 120 seconds, and the values are fixed. You can only adjust up or down by 5 seconds. While in the advanced time setting mode, you can set any time value between 10 to 999 seconds. And in simple temperature setting mode, there are 4 fixed levels of temperature to choose from. While in the advanced mode, you can choose any temperature value between 60 to 210 degrees Celsius. You can choose the setting modes you want. When the machine is off, press time button for 5 seconds till the screen displays off. This means the simple time setting mode is off and advanced time setting mode is on, and vice versa. This is the same for choosing the temperature modes. You press the temperature button until off comes up. This means simple mode is off and advanced mode is on. And if you want to switch the temperature unit, still when the machine is off, long press the time and the temperature buttons for 3 seconds to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. After choosing the setting mode and the temperature unit, let's see how to set the parameters. First, press the switch button for 3 seconds to turn it on, and then press the time button. Now the time and the temperature buttons are turned into adjusting buttons, and you can press them to adjust the time value. And then it blinks for 4 times to auto-save. Then press the temperature button and adjust the temperature value and wait for auto-save. And the machine starts heating to the temperature just set. Actually, it starts heating up to the temperature you set last time once it's on. So you need to keep it in this safety base all the time when doing all the settings. Now the machine is beeping to tell me it heats to the set temperature. I just need to press the switch button on the top to start the vibration and countdown. These two functions are designed for sublimation printing. If you are going to transfer vinyl and the sticker, you can just wait for the machine to heat up and move it around to iron the designs. No need for vibration and countdown. Now you know how to use it, let's do some customization next. So do you guys like our Crafts Express mini heat press? If you want to start a home customization business, this little machine can be a well worth investment, and if you are a craft lover, don't miss it. It can be an amazing tool to realize your ideas and bring more success for your DIY projects. And if you want to order this machine right now, you can send email to best@bestsub.net. And if you have some questions about it, you can tell us in the email or on the comments below. And I'm Alex. Hope to see you again in my next video.